Be a man who does not adopt this limiting mentality, who does not judge a woman by her desires and choices. Instead, treat her as a complete human being, acknowledging her goals, dreams, and emotions. Establish open communication with her on various topics, regardless of whether your relationship is casual or more serious. She needs to feel that you see her as a valuable person, regardless of the choices she makes in terms of intimacy. This approach is crucial for building a meaningful connection, even if the relationship is more casual, demonstrating that you value her as a person. The second fear that a woman often has, even while in the moment of intimacy with you, is the fear that you may represent a threat to her physical integrity. Women are aware of the physical disparity compared to men, even though there are exceptions with stronger women. However, in the majority, women recognize a considerable physical disadvantage compared to men. They are conscious, whether consciously or unconsciously, that they are at a physical disadvantage, leading to a concern about the risk to their physical integrity. Therefore, it is crucial that she realizes that you are a man who does not pose a threat to her physical safety. When you're thinking about being with someone, you might perceive yourself as an exemplary guy, someone who respects. However, it's important to recognize that she can't read minds. You need to consider the experience she has in the world around her, living up to the present moment, interacting on the street and in other contexts. Unfortunately, this experience has not always been positive, as many men who approach women can, in a way, cause discomfort and even fear. It is crucial to show her that you are a man she can trust, committed to her safety. Understand that a significant portion of men who approach women, about 40%, can, in some way, create insecurity in them. Therefore, the way you show her that she is completely safe is crucial. This involves acting with respect, understanding, and clearly communicating your intentions, ensuring that she feels comfortable and protected in your presence. And no, don't say something like, "Look, I don't represent any risk to you, okay, you can be at ease with me. I'm a very respectful guy." Because when you say this, it actually triggers a red alert in her mind. Instead, you should demonstrate total respect for her. This means fully accepting her will. If she says no, accept it calmly. Show that, despite your desire, your respect for her is absolute. It is crucial that she knows that, for example, if you were together on that same day, and suddenly she felt uncomfortable with the situation, she could express it, and you would stop immediately. She needs to feel that you are a man with self-control, who respects her limits and understands when she decides to stop or change direction. When a woman perceives that you can exercise self-control and respect her limits, she will feel much more comfortable for that moment. In this way, you can dispel the two objections that may arise in her mind. And how do you persuade her to go to bed with you? The first point is to have calibration, especially in kisses and caresses during intimate moments. Start gently, progress to a moderate intensity, and gradually intensify the contact as you feel her body's response. By calibrating your gestures, from caresses to kisses, you can start lightly, evolve into something moderate, and when you realize she's more receptive, intensify the intimacy. For example, by bringing her hips closer to yours during a more intense moment, you can ignite her desire for you. Remember, this is a summary, and there is a more detailed approach to this topic, but essentially, it's about calibrating gestures to understand and respect her limits. The second step to make her want is to show that you want to continue your night somewhere else. If you don't speak up, you'll face a problem because waiting for her to take the initiative can be a lengthy wait. You'll die and reincarnate 3 times and still won't achieve anything. The chances of the woman expressing her desire spontaneously are quite remote. She may be desiring it, but she's waiting for you to take the initiative to fulfill that desire together. So, when you're at a light and moderate intensity, as you move towards the intense, you can say something like, "Wow, it's so nice here. I'm really enjoying it. Do you want to continue somewhere else? The place doesn't imply anything wrong, but I'm really enjoying this moment with you." So, you say that, and she'll understand that you want to continue that somewhere else. You can also invite her to have wine at your place or watch a movie at your place. All of this will provide a more intimate and cozy atmosphere. A third point to make her want is to prepare the logistics of the date before leaving home. Sometimes, a man goes out with a woman randomly, without planning anything, and ends up not thinking that they could have a night together. They are not prepared for it. Therefore, being prepared means thinking, if something happens after we go out tonight, where could we go? If something happens today, would it be here at my house? In my room? If you live with friends, you could ask your friends to leave at some point. If it would be at the motel, you could take her to the motel, and if it's close to where you'll meet, so she feels comfortable and relaxed. If it were at your house, what drink would you offer her? Wine, beer, or water to make her more at ease? Because some people like to feel more at ease in such situations. And a more important point, it's essential to have condoms with you. If you only think about it in the heat of the moment, there's a great chance she will refuse for obvious reasons. So, always be prepared. When she realizes that you are a prepared man, who already has condoms, planned logistics, and shows desire and respect, she feels like she's dealing with a mature person, not a boy. Additionally, sensuality comes into play when you express your desire for her and demonstrate calibration in your touch. If you liked the video, click on the like button, leave your like, and subscribe to the channel. This way, you'll receive all the content and stay updated whenever I post a new video, deciphering the secrets of female attraction. A big kiss, and until next time.